The VSCode Extension API is very limited for block highlighting. Every time I was looking for a way around for a limitation, I was finding another limitation. It was a big struggle, but somehow I arrived to this point. There are still some things to be polished, but I think it's ready for demonstration. We have so many lines. We have actually 15,000 lines, but the speed, the optimization looks pretty well. As you can see, the speed of block marking is pretty good. We can type anything. I think it's really optimized. Let's have normal file, like 500 lines of code. Here we have. It's much more faster. This frame is for the entire file. So this is the depth, the level 0, the depth 0. Then we have depth 1. Then we have depth 2, 3, 4, and 5.